Good morning, children. Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Children, we have started our sixth chapter on Friday, that was factors and multiples. So, children, we are doing exercise 6A and question number 1 and 2 of 6A we have done. Today we will start question number 3. Now, write the first 5 common multiples of the following pair of numbers. So, third question is we have to find out the first 5 common multiples. As you know, common means एक जैसे दिखने वाले. So first question is of 3, that is 6 and 3. So we will write the table of 6 and 3 both, then we will find out the first 5 common multiples. So children, as you can see, I have written the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 2 is 12, 3 is 18, 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and this is the table of 3. Now you can see that 6 is given in the table of 6 also, in the table of 3 also. So this one is common, 12 is common, 18 is common, 24 is common, and 30 is common. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. So first 5 common multiples of 6 and 3, you can write first 5 common multiples of 6 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now question number 4, B, 2 and 4. First we will write the table of 2, then we will write the table of 4. Now you can see 4 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, 16 is common, and 20 is common. So these are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 4. So we will write first 5 common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now question number C, 5 and 10. So we will write the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Now table of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So children, we will find out the first 5 common multiples. 10 is common, 20 is common, 30 is common, 40 is common, and 50 is common. So in this 5 common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20, 30, 45. This we will write here also. First 5 common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we will see question number D, 4 and 12. So we will write the table of 4 up to 40. Table of 12 है ना. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 is 24, 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40. Now 12 we have written also. Now we will see the common multiple. 12 is common, 24 is common, and 36 is common. After 40 there is nothing you can see that is common. So we will increase the table of 4. Now 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52, 4 14s are 56, 4 15s are 60. Now you can see 48 is common and 60 is common. So these are the first 5 common multiple of 4 and 12. First 5 common multiples of 4 and 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Now question number 4. Write the common multiples of the following pair of number using number line. You can see you have to find out the common multiple here using number line. Now children, this way you will turn your copy to solve this question. First question is 2 and 3. So you will first draw one line. You can see here full page I have drawn here. One line I have drawn, and then leaving one line I have written the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to where you can write it depends on your copy that how much space it is having. So you can write the number that much. Then what we will do, we will mark the table of 2 on this number line. So we will start from 0 to 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Then you can increase it also. 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, and 2 13s are 26, and 2 14s are 28. Now second number is 3. So we will mark it below the line. From 0 we will start again. 0 to 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Now you have what you have to mark. You have to see the curves where it is going to meet. So you can see 2 3s are 6 होता है and 3 2s are 6 होता है. So 6 is common in 6 is common in both the table. So see, we will circle the 6. Then here you can see this and this arrow is meeting here. This both curves are meeting here. So 12 is common. Again you can see 18 is common, and again you can see 24 is common. So this way you will solve the question on number lines. So children, your today's homework is you have to do question number B of exercise of question number 4 in your classwork copy. I am writing here also exercise 6A question number 4 B. You have to do in your copy. ठीक है, 6A का question number 4 का B you have to do in your classwork copy. Thank you and have a nice day.